Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share to you how we make this chicken adobo, Filipino style chicken adobo. It's really good with white steamed rice. So these are the ingredients, a lot of them. So mix all the ingredients in a bowl like that. We'll put it in there. I use a drumstick and thigh. I like drumsticks a lot, but you can use any bone-in chicken pieces. And then you add brown sugar and garlic. And the whole peppercorns and salt and red onion, soy sauce, vinegar. I think that's it. And then you have to mix them together, mix them really good. Oh, there's more. Bay leaf and 3 bay leaf. Then mix it. And it's very good to combine all the ingredients. Combine it all. This will take a while, so we'll fast forward it. And then cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 4 to 12 hours. That's how the taste will get inside the chicken. Then place the marinated chicken in a big pot, including the sauce. Put it all. You be careful because it's gonna splatter everywhere. And then cover it. And then cook it. Cook in a medium-high heat until it starts to boil. Turn the heat down to medium-low and simmer for 30 to 45 minutes or until the chicken is cooked and very tender. Note, do not stir it while it's simmering. Remove the chicken and drain in a strainer. This looks good already. Make it fast. Turn the heat up and boil it uncovered until the most of the liquid evaporated and thickened. The sauce will taste really good. All the flavors there. So meanwhile, slice the sweet onion. You don't have to do this, but this will add the taste and smells really good. It always makes me hungry. Well, my sister don't eat onion, but she likes to smell it. So heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, sear or sauteed sweet onion. This time the house smells really good. I like the smell of the sauteed onion. Stir it. And make it all evenly cooked. Then remove sauteed onion and set aside. All of them. Then using the same skillet, sear or brown both sides of the chicken. So it will looks more inviting. With the heat at 400 degrees, sear each side for 2 minutes. To make it really brown like that. Mold the chicken in a serving plate or platter, whatever you have in your home. So this is look like this. Place sauteed onion and put the onion on the top over. Pour the sauce over, and this is it. It's very inviting. And then serve it with steamed white rice. With this one, guys, I can eat like 3 to 4 cups of rice. It is so good. Ta-da! Let's eat! Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!